Students, this video is for all NEET aspirants. I wanted to tell you on NEET Prep platform, we are putting super focus on NCERT, which means what we are doing is we are trying to make sure that every question that you practice, you should have the option of selecting whether that question is from NCERT or not. So what we are doing is not only bio, but even in physics and chemistry, you will see this green tag of from NCERT. If you have already practicing questions from neetprep.com, you would see that green tag from NCERT in bio. Now it would be available in physics and chemistry also. We plan to cover up all the questions by 10th of February. I wanted to tell you what is the logic of it, right? In case of bio, organic and inorganic, what we are doing is either the fact or the concept should be in NCERT, should be in NCERT, right? This is the logic of putting this from NCERT tag in bio, organic, inorganic chapters. For physics and physical chemistry, the logic here is formula should be in NCERT, formula should be in NCERT. Okay, so you must have seen this green tag of from NCERT on bio questions. You would now be able to see it on chemistry chapters also. A lot of chemistry chapters we have done. As I said, I am trying to make sure that by 10th of February, every question on NEET Prep platform should have either this tag of from NCERT, or if the tag is not there, then you should be able to understand this question is not from NCERT and you can skip it, because NTA has very clearly communicated that NEET exam is going to be from NCERT. That is what they have communicated through 4 exams they have conducted in 2019 and 2020. Correct? What this means is our attempt is to help you practice all concepts of NCERT from the question bank. Test series is NCERT based. A lot of you were saying that target tests are very difficult. We have also aligned it to exact NCERT. Flashcards, you know that flashcards are line by line NCERT. And in mind maps also, we are going to do the marking of the formulas of physics and physical chemistry chapters which are not from NCERT. This will be done. I'll tell you how it looks on the website. So, for example, let's say, let's select a chapter. So, one moment, let us go to course content and let's go to questions, right? Let's say if you select, you know, in bio it is showing up, right? From NCERT tag, green tag, green tag. Now you go to hydrogen, right? This is an inorganic chapter. You are seeing this tag of from NCERT, right? You are seeing this tag of from NCERT. But this tag hydrogen is evolved by the action of cold dilute HNO3 on. This thing is not discussed in NCERT, so there is from NCERT tag is missing. So as I was saying, our focus is to make sure that we cover all the concepts given in NCERT and we help you decide to practice only NCERT based questions, and we do the same thing in the test series, in target tests, everywhere that we try and do, because NTA has communicated that things are going to be NCERT based. So what I want you to do is, A, give me feedback that you are able to see this NCERT tag. B, give me feedback on the fact that whether target tests are now at the level at which NEET exam is there, at the level of NCERT or not, right? So students, please give this feedback. But as I told you, we are going to make sure that you remain completely focused on NCERT, and I will keep communicating this thing to you again and again. Our videos are also an attempt to explain NCERT, and everything else, the question, etc., we'll try and give you as many questions as possible which are strictly from NCERT in various question tests, etc., which are going to be there on neetprep.com. All right, students.